templates. From our logistics crews ensuring safety and efficiency, to scientists maintaining meticulous precision.
Unit 3, bring that pallet to Bay 4. Copy. Copy that. Moving now.
Stack that pallet on the left. Bring the next load over here.
Pallet secure, heading to Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Keep the flow moving.
All right, got the last one. This one's heavy, let's move it together. Check the consistency on the red vats.
Consistency is optimal, ready for the next phase.
Keep the flow steady on line 3.
Almost empty. Watch the level.
Increase the flow rate on pipe 3.
The automated pumps are maintaining precise volume according to the monitor.
The throughput on this batch seems consistent.
Confirmed.
Yeah.
I'll update the log.
Keep coming forward. Watch the side.
I am absolutely obsessed with how these turned out.
Wow.
We look incredible. Cheers to that.
The monitoring team watches the flow rates, knowing that a clog in these massive pipes would stop the whole plant.
Consistency on the teal vat is excellent. Well done.
We adjusted the flow rate just as you suggest, Doctor.
Check the corners on that one. Looks good. Clear, clear.
The gauge reading is fluctuating slightly.
I see it. The seals look secure, though. How soon until the next batch is ready for the warehouse?
Should be within the hour. We're maintaining optimal speed.
The barcode scanner is the heartbeat of the logistics system, tracking every single bottle.
He's clear of the dock, Tyrone.
Roger that. All clear to the main road.
OPI really outdid themselves with this flagship store.
No, it's incredible. The colors are just popping in the sun. I love it.
Oh, that is absolutely stunning. I love this red.
Ensure the labels are aligned perfectly before sealing.
The laser marking machine etches batch codes onto the boxes, a permanent record of the product's birth.
Clear the aisle on your left. Copy that. Watching the load height.
This batch is flawless.
Confirmed.
Yes, Bay 4. Have that shipment moved there immediately.
Over.
Scan the manifest for the OPI shipment. Forklift 2, back up slowly.
Got it. Bay 5 is clear.
The urban delivery driver navigates the tight city streets, bringing the product to the final mile.
Afternoon. I have the OPI shipment for you.
Excellent. We're ready for it inside.
Here are the new OPI colors.
Oh, wow, look at all of them.
The pinks are beautiful.
This is our new Infinite Shine line. It gives you that high quality gel-like finish without needing the UV light.
I love how shiny this top coat is.
Right, it makes such a difference.
We only use the best products here.
Look how shiny they are. You did such a great job. I'm so glad you like them. The color is stunning.
I am obsessed with this red. It's perfect for the gala tonight. It looks amazing. I went with this shimmering blue instead. I can't believe the day is finally here. I'm so nervous. You look absolutely beautiful, honey. And the blue is perfect.
Let me see that hand. There we go, good as new. Perfect, thank you so much.